Hello friends, welcome to my channel with me Vandita. Today I am going to show you this beautiful pattern. So let's start. I need for this pattern a very bulky wool. So I made this pattern with double wool like this, and you can make this with two colors also, so that I am using two colors in this video. And I will make with both wool like this, and with this wool I am using 4.5 mm crochet. This is pattern for very good for the baby's cap, baby's socks, baby's gloves and knee caps. Okay, so we will start to make a slip knot, or you can start like this also. Okay, I'm making 20 chains for this pattern. After 20 chains, I am joining with very first chain. Like this. With a slip stitch. Okay, now chain 1 from the next chain we will make a single crochet, but not like this as usual we made. This time I'll make single crochet like this, and next chain a single crochet, next chain a single crochet, next chain. This will look like this. This pattern need a very bulky wool, so that I am using double wool because I had no bulky wool at my place. It's looking so beautiful in two colors. Make this pattern with a very loose hand, so that the pattern looks clearly. Like this. Last, we will join with a slip stitch like this. Chain 1. We have to skip this chain, and from the next chain we will start to make like this. they are becoming a small cross. This will look like this after. So I hope you like this video. So please like my video, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.